Aloha, y'all. I have a new toy. It's called the Dragon on the Cloud that I'm going to try and assemble today. It is a moving mechanical wooden automata. Okay, anyway, it requires no glue, no scissors. I just pop out the wooden pieces and assemble it according to the instructions, and you're supposed to hand crank it, I believe, and the dragon moves. See? All right, so let's go see how this goes. I should be able to do it. It's age 12 and up. All right, yay, it's finally finished. And it was a little bit difficult near the end. I think they might have almost missed a step in the directions there. Either that or I jumped ahead of myself. But you definitely have to make sure the legs are positioned in the right spot, and otherwise, and then the crank, the gears here have to be pushed. I didn't realize that I had mine sticking out a little bit, so I pushed it in together, and this is how it looks completed. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart on me. It's a little rusty. Isn't that cute? I think right here probably could be shaved a little bit more. It sounds like it's getting stuck right about there. But there's my gear system, my crank. I got myself a little Chinese dragon. Yeah. Chomp, chomp, chomp.